everyone, welcome back to my channel for the second episode of Cheap Lazy Scran, the show where I try to make the cheapest meals possible. This time we're doing spaghetti bolognese for just 48 pence per person. Alright, let's get into it. So once again, I'll tell you about the ingredients and the prices. And I got these ingredients from Aldi, so that's where the prices are from. We've got 16 mils of oil, which is 2p. Got 6 grams of garlic, that's 6p. We've got 100 grams of tomatoes, that's 9p. Just slightly less than 70 grams of minced beef, that's 20p. 40 grams of onion, that's 3p. A stock cube, which is 3p. And 125 grams of spaghetti, that's 5p. And now, of course, you need some tools as well. You got your spatula, some pans, a chopping board, a knife, and a jug, and a fork to eat it with, of course. So we'll start off by frying the onions, the garlic, and the mince. Now, depending on the type of pan that you use and the amount of fat that's in the beef, you might need more oil. I did because the bolognese kept sticking. And once the onions and mince are cooked, you can add the tomatoes. Then boil the kettle for the stock cube. Now this next bit is optional because there are a lot of flavours in here already. But you can also add things such as mixed herbs, paprika and cumin. These are just a couple pence more. They will make the bolognese a little bit tastier as well. Then, after you've done that, add the stock and mix it in. When the bolognese has got to this consistency, turn the heat down a bit, just to keep it warm. Now crumble the other half of the stock cube into a pot of hot water. Then put all the spaghetti into the pot as well. Then, after a few minutes, when the spaghetti is completely flaccid and the bolognese is still warm, you can start serving. Now, once again, this is a completely optional thing, but you can add a little bit of cheese if you want. I just feel like it completes the whole spaghetti bolognese. Just like last time, there's only a few pots and utensils to wash, so it'll only take you a couple minutes, as long as you're quick. So how does it taste? Well, it's a little bit salty, but overall quite tasty. So if you found yours a bit too salty, you can just use less salt, obviously. And I think I've done a bit too much spaghetti, so maybe just use 100 grams instead of 125 grams. And also, it's fairly easy to change into a vegan meal just by swapping out the mince for more vegetables. And if you used either a chicken or a beef stock cube, you can just use a veg stock cube. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please drop a like, maybe subscribe as well, and comment down below if you made this yourself. And also, what other meals you would like to see me cook on a tight budget. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.